everyone, how are you doing? So in this today's video we are going to cover mitochondria and lysosome. These are two important cell organelles which is found in cell. So mitochondria, you can see here how it's look like. This is a diagram of mitochondria. So before we understand the diagram, now first get to know about it, what it does. Actually, mitochondria plays crucial role in aerobic respiration to produce the energy which is stored in the form of ATP. During aerobic respiration, actually glucose is converted into carbon dioxide and water. During this process, adenosine diphosphate with anorganic phosphate make ATP or produce ATP which is stored in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Now see the diagram of mitochondria. Here you can see the diagram of mitochondria, and if you look at this diagram, you can see there is two membrane, inner and outer. So mitochondria is actually double membrane bounded structure, outer membrane and inner membrane. Inner membrane fold inside and make some structure which is known as cristae. What these cristae do? Actually these increase surface area, which is quite helpful for containing enzymes which is required for oxidative phosphorylation. Here is a brief description of aerobic respiration. There are three stages, among which first stage is known as glycolysis, which occurs in cytoplasm, and remaining two are Krebs cycles and oxidative phosphorylation. These two stages occurs in mitochondria, and in third stage, which is oxidative phosphorylation, in this stage actual oxygen is required, so that's why it is known as aerobic respiration. Now come to the diagram. Here you can see this is outer membrane and this is inner membrane, and here you can see some kind of stuff pointed. This is enzymes which is required for oxidative phosphorylation. So you can say that enzyme which is required for oxidative phosphorylations are found in the inner membrane of, or at the surface of inner membrane of mitochondria. And here you can see matrix. Inside part of mitochondria is known as matrix, and matrix contains enzymes which is required for Krebs cycles. And here you can see DNA is present. So this is known as mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondria contains its separate DNA, which is contain information to form proteins. Mitochondria also contain its own ribosome, which form proteins, and these ribosomes get information to form protein from mitochondrial DNA. So this is all about mitochondria. Now let's come to the lysosome. There are two key features about lysosomes. First one is lysosome contains powerful digestive hydrolytic enzymes, for example protease. Protease can digest large molecules into small soluble molecules. And second key features about lysosome is internal fluid in a lysosome is acidic. That's why protease and all other digestive enzymes work in acidic pH. Now let's come to the function of lysosome. First is phagocytosis. What is phagocytosis? Actually, whenever any foreign particles like bacteria enter in our body, then our body takes some certain actions. Like WBC, which is white blood cell, form a vacuole around foreign particles, which is known as phagosome, and then lysosome fuse with the phagosome and digest that particular foreign particle or bacteria, whatever it is. Second key function of lysosome is digest the organelles that are damaged or no longer functional. In our body, after a certain period of time, some organs or some cells get damaged, or they don't function properly. So what lysosome do? Lysosome go to them and digest them. This is, you can say, clean our body. So these are two main functions of lysosome.